Hello guys, this video focuses on how to use the DjangoTube web system to download videos from YouTube. We will focus on downloading videos that are related to Creative Commons. The reason is YouTube like there are some videos on YouTube that downloading them may download YouTube's terms of service and copyright laws. So it's recommended to only download videos that you have the legal right to download. So I will focus more on downloading videos that are relating to Creative Commons. In order to do that, I will go to YouTube and then search for Creative Commons videos on YouTube. So I'm going to click on this video.
Did you know you can use other people's videos to create your own video without getting
what
a
I do
copyright
is that
strike or
from the
copyright
search
claim?
bar, I'll
This is
copy the
possible
link
with
of the
Creative
video
Commons videos. Today you'll learn what Creative Commons videos are,
and then go
how
to
to find
the
them, and how to
DjangoTube
use them in
app.
videos so you don't get a copyright strike. Hello, my name
Click
is
on
Herman
use
Dross.
the web app.
If you want to grow your audience on YouTube and generate traffic, leads, and sales on autopilot, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification icon so you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos.
Playing. And then I come back and then insert the link of the video. Click on download. Depending on the speed of your internet, I think it shouldn't take that long to have the video downloaded. You can see it's loading from the top over here. But it's taking longer than I expected. It seems video didn't. I see. Okay, yeah, the video is downloaded. It didn't show from our browser. I think the app can be improved by adding some messages. Right now what it did was it had a redirect to the main homepage, the homepage of the system. But yeah, like I said, the app can be improved by adding messages to it, so that as soon as the video is downloaded, it will prompt the user that the video has been downloaded or is completed. But right from within our Visual Studio, we can see the name of the video here, how to find and use Creative Commons videos on YouTube. So let's go ahead and see if we can play this video from within There we go, there it is. So now we can go ahead and then click on the video and see.
Did you know you can use other people's videos to create your own video without getting a copyright strike or copyright claim? This is possible with
I think I should change the media player.
Did you know you can use other people's videos to create your own video without getting a copyright strike or copyright claim? This is possible with Creative Commons videos.
So
Today you'll
this is
learn
how
what
to
Creative
download
Commons videos
YouTube
are,
videos with
how to find them, and how to use them in your
PyTube,
videos so you don't get a copyright strike.
and Django.
Hello, my name is Herman
Thanks for
Ross.
watching.
If you want to grow your audience on YouTube,